Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAlTareeq.com, and here is what's on my Forex radar this July the 5th, 2016. Let's get started. Let us begin today with the Aussie dollar. Yesterday we had a nice candle that pushed up above the 0.7440 level. But during the Asian session today, we have some retracement, and this is on most pairs during the Asian session. At this point, there still isn't any naked price action trade that's going on. This probably is going to stay in here and consolidate for a minute or two. So we move on to the next one. You can see off of the Aussie New Zealand, the trend line squeeze play here. Let's see if this holds up today. Looking for a confirmation on that. If it will stay there, and we can look to enter into a trade later on with the Aussie New Zealand. The euro dollar, not much happening on that one as well. Hitting a semi ceiling this yesterday, and as well as this morning taking a drop off of the 1.1150 support and resistance line on my particular chart. Just squeezing up here as well. Squeezing up here as well. So let's put that up there and see what happens if we get a break or it continues to hold. Great Britain, New Zealand consolidating down here as well. This is inside of a box. You might as well just draw the draw the box in now, because that's exactly what it's doing. And to be expected. So we will wait. We'll wait for it to come outside of this particular box here. The New Zealand dollar, excuse me. To see if it's going to respect this trend line. See if it's going to respect the 72.21 level up on the chart. And if it does, we will be looking for either a break below the trend line or a break above the 72.21 level on the chart. Not much. Yeah, if it breaks up above that and comes back up and retouches, looks for, off of the weekly chart, looks for a decent trade. U.S. CAD recovering a little bit from yesterday's retracement during the Asian session. Usually this means that it will probably fall back down after the Asian session is over with. U.S., the yen, euro dollar, holding and consolidating here as well. Holding and semi-consolidating here at the 102 level here. Not much to say on the yen and all of the other pairs. There's no price action that's going on that signals for us to get inside of a trade. And with the, you know what, either you guys are you're hunters or you're trappers. I myself, as a trapper, I've laid my traps with my support and resistance, waiting for the trades to fall into those traps, and I don't go out seeking and hunting for trades and gambling with my account. That's why I'm consistent in my trades, consistent with my profit, and I suggest that you guys go ahead and do the same thing. I'll put a link of the notes on an article that I wrote concerning hunters and trappers. And with that said, you guys have a magnificent day on purpose, and I'll talk with you soon. The U.S. market will be open back up today after the holiday from yesterday.